One of my favorite dishes that Chiquita is going to teach us now. So let's go to Chiquita and see what the recipe is like.
We're going to do a Gujarati curry. Very simple,
I love curry.
Very quick. Let's start with some dahi.
Okay.
We'll whisk it up with some besan.
So I'm going to pass you the dahi. Is this khatta dahi?
Little khatta, because again we'll...
So if I have fresh dahi, I can use that also?
Yes.
Okay. What can I pass you next?
Next would be some besan.
Some besan.
We'll put about 1.5 cup.
1.5 cup of dahi. If you have khatta dahi, better. If you don't have it, still works.
And about 2 tablespoons of besan. And we'll just whisk it right up.
Okay. What are we going to do with ginger, chili and garlic?
You know, we're going to crush it nice and fresh to get the aroma and the flavor.
Okay. Do you want me to do that meanwhile you whisk? Okay. So how much ginger?
Just about 2-3 pieces.
2-3 pieces of ginger.
4 of those slit green chilies. And garlic, about 5-6 pods.
5-6 pods of garlic. So while Chiquita is whisking the mixture, I'm going to just use the mortar and pestle and actually grind the ginger, garlic and chilies. How much water are we adding, Chiquita?
We'll just add about 1.5-2 cups of water.
So to the mixture, 1.5-2 cups of water.
We'll just add the crushed...
Okay. So the crushed chilies, ginger and garlic.
Salt just as per your taste.
Okay. I'm assuming a teaspoon of it.
Yes. And sugar, this is a little sweeter.
Okay.
So we'd put about say 3 teaspoons.
Okay. 3 teaspoons of sugar and about a teaspoon of salt. And if you like it more sweet, go ahead, add some more sugar.
Stir it up and then we will put it to boil.
All right. How long is the whole process of putting this dish together?
I would say anything between 10 and 15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes.
It's boiling, so now we'll take it off.
Okay. So the curry is ready and now we're preparing the tadka for it. What all goes in this tadka?
We'll use some ghee to start with. Yeah.
So here's the ghee. How much ghee, Chiquita?
About 1.5-2 tablespoons.
1.5-2 tablespoons of ghee. So it's rich and nice. Okay. What can I pass you next?
Then we'll add some jeera.
Some jeera. A teaspoon?
Teaspoon and a half.
A teaspoon and a half of jeera.
Some rye.
Some rye.
Now this is the barik wala. 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of rye.
A couple of cloves.
Couple of cloves, long.
And then some methi dana.
Some methi dana. Jeera, rye, long, methi dana. So far, all this in the ghee.
A cinnamon stick.
Cinnamon stick. This is my favorite spice. And I'm assuming the burai mirchi.
Yes.
How many are we going to add?
About 2.
2 of them.
Fine.
Okay.
And we'll just add some curry patta.
Curry patta.
Some hing. And just 1 slit green chili.
1 slit green chili. So we had put 4 initially and then
the garnish.
2 more pieces going in there. Wow, this tadka looks great.
Tadka is now ready.
It's crackling.
Yes, let's pour it over.
Alright, so there's ghee, rye, jeera, the burai mirchi, curry patta, all gone together in this. And do we give it a boil again?
Yes, just a little simmer. So it's almost done.
Okay, so just a slight simmer for about 5 minutes?
Just 5 minutes, just for the tadka to sink in.
5 minutes of slight simmer after adding the tadka.
So we'll just garnish a little
bit.
With
dhania. So the Gujarati curry is done.